Hey there, are you struggling to install the Retroarch emulator on your iPhone and iPad? Well, then you have come to the right place. Today on TechMazi, I will show you how to download and install the best emulator on iOS. For this you will need the Feather app. Link on how to download will be in the description. Open the app. Search for Retroarch. Now hit download. Also, this is my second channel. Please leave a like and subscribe on this, as well as my main channel. Now wait for it to download. Once it is done downloading, head to Library and first sign the app. Once it has been signed, scroll up and install the app. Asterisk note: you will need a paid certificate of Feather in order to download this. Now wait for it to download on the home screen. As you can see, it is working perfectly. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe.